Hey there, foodies and travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the rich and delicious flavors of the world. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the Caribbean to uncover the secrets behind Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish. Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our mouth-watering journeys. Now, let's get cooking.
How to make Jamaica's national dish for breakfast. Ackee and saltfish. Ingredients. A quarter pound codfish. 2 cans ackee. Half a cup coconut oil. Or 1 can of coconut milk. 2 sliced onion. 3 stalks green onion. Sweet peppers. A nice piece of ginger. 2 teaspoons pimento. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. 3 twigs of thyme. 2 teaspoons black pepper. 1 teaspoon curry powder. 1 ripe tomato. Heat oil or boil coconut milk to reduce to oil. Add pimento and curry. Add pimento and a piece of thyme. In the meantime, time to add the codfish, saltfish. Add a little black pepper. Add thyme, sweet peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and tomato. Rinse and drain ackee. Add thyme, sweet peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and tomato. Time to add the star. Ackee. Use a fork to gently fold. Cover and steam for 15 minutes. Garnish with fresh scallion.
There you have it. Ackee and saltfish. With fried dumpling, Jamaica's national dish. What an incredible journey we've had today, exploring the flavors of Jamaica through its iconic dish, ackee and saltfish. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing recipes and travel adventures, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. And remember, if you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions for our next culinary adventure, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes content and updates. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep savoring the flavors of the world. Thanks for joining us today, and as they say in Jamaica, one love.